Hi guys, this is Gabriel Garay from Gabriel Garay Hair Extensions. Today I'm going to do a very quick and easy demonstration of Ultimate's Hotheads Tape-In Hair Extensions. Here's our client before. We're going to take a nice clean part about an inch to 2 inches from the hairline, and this is where we will place our first sandwich. This is the bottom extension, and we make sure that we place it at least a half an inch from the hairline. We want to be able to move the hair freely once the tape is placed. And then we're going to sandwich it with another color on top. I like to work with 2 colors at a time. And then I'm going to make sure that it moves freely. Here I've done a second row where I've placed 2, and here's a third row where I've placed 3 of them. And just that simple, and look how much hair we have just from those extensions in the back. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe underneath, and I'll be sure to put some more hair extension videos in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.